Okay, in this video we'll show you how we can just machine a slot in the Z-axis. So I'm in PartMaster CAD right now, so I've drawn an arc here. So for a Z profile it needs to be a profile, so under the NC button here you choose profile, click that. It's not closed, so it'll need an endpoint, which is that one there, and that creates the profile. Take that through into machining, set up your tool change position. So because it's a profile, it's now happening in the Z-axis. Okay, so you can define a tool, so maybe a bullnose tool, select that tool for use, choose Z profile, and the option that we want is to do a straightforward slot, and just uncheck this, otherwise it will go in the opposite direction. What you can also do here is set the vector tolerance, so this is the tolerance of the small straight line vectors that it will produce to machine that. Okay, switch on tool center line and run it. Look at it from the front view. Okay, so that is the tangency point of the tool. If you look at the tool envelope, you can see that the tool is being maintained in contact with that shape. So that's how you do a Z profile.